Hey guys, it's Kurs, and today we're going to be teaching you how to use the Amiipad Wireless Controller. The game that I'm going to be loading it up on is Mario Kart Deluxe 8, and I'll be showing you the Amiibos for that. Okay, so now we are looking at how to load those sweet Amiibos into Mario. Now we're going to go straight on down to the bottom of the page where it says Amiibo. We're going to go ahead and we're going to click on that. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and find yellow. To find yellow, you want to go ahead and press T down here, hold that, and then you're going to want to press the minus up here. So then press the minus, and you're going to go through. Light green, dark green. That looks yellowy to me. To change the bottom configuration down here, these lights, you're going to want to go ahead and press and hold T, and then you're going to want to press the plus. Now that is going to change the bottom configuration as well. We only want it on third light, so that's the one we're going to go for. Simple, and then we're going to set it by pressing T and across. And it's going to flash, and that's our Amiibo setting. There we go, guys. Super cool and simple. Easy peasy to load them in. So we got Mario. Then we're going to go for another one just to show you guys how simple and easy that really was. We're going to go for the purple light. There we go. So we've got purple. Again, really simple. Just did that by pressing T, holding T and pressing the minus until we get through. And then again, to change this light configuration here at the bottom, we're going to press T and we're going to press plus. See how that took us through? Okay, so this is the configuration that we want it on. We're going to then go ahead and set it again with T and the across button. Super simple. That's set it again, and this is just going to load in on our Amiibo. Cool, guys. So that's really easy and simple. That's how you load in the Amiibos on Amiibo. That's how you load the Mario Amiibos in. That's it, guys, and we're out.